Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to be going back to the whole top 10, top 5, top whatever series. But for today we are doing lipsticks, and I'm talking about classic bullet lipsticks. So I'm going to show you all of my top 8 and I'm going to also put them on my lips so you guys can see them in action. So let's just get started. So the first one I have is Gallop by Colourpop, and this one is like a dark brick orangey red. This is it swatched right here. It's just really pretty. It's opaque. It has a little bit of a sheen to it. This is the color On. As you can see, it does have a sheen to it, but it's very opaque. And I do like the Colourpop formulas. They do have a little bit of a factory scent to them, but I think they look very pretty, and you can hardly notice the scent once it's on. Next up we have the Ulta Beauty lipstick in the shade Stay Fierce. So this is more of a sheer formula. It looks just like this. I guess I would describe this as like almost like a peachy brown. This formula is very sheer. It again is very shiny. Here is its swatch. As you can see, it's a much sheerer formula than this one, but it does look really pretty on the lips. This is one of those formulas where you can just put it in your bag and you can always put it on without a mirror. You can hardly tell that it's there. You just see like a nice tint of color, and it's great for those everyday looks. Next, I have a Revlon lipstick. This one is in the shade Pink Sizzle. This is another sheer lipstick. It's this really hot pink, as you can see here, but it won't look like that on your lips. So there we have it on our hand. As you can see, this one's more of a muted color, the one before, whereas this Revlon one, it's very hot pink. You can like see that color. It's gonna look really healthy on the lips and not look crazy. As you can see, again, it's one of those colors where you can put on without a mirror. It's just like this nice tint of pink. It looks very healthy and makes your lips look a little more alive. So I have the Maybelline lipstick. This one is in Toasted Truffle, and this one is really pretty. This one's more like a touch of like pink in it and a touch of brown. It's kind of like that nice mixture that's just gonna make a really nice nude lip. I am terrible at describing colors, but don't worry, you guys can see them, and you're gonna see them on my lips. So swatched, it looks like that. This one is more opaque, and it's a matte formula. Yeah, I described that terribly. This looks more brown with like a touch of orange, but again, still like a really pretty nude. It has a really pretty formula. These Maybelline lipsticks, I really like how they feel. They feel very cushiony, and they don't feel matte on the lips or drying or anything. They're just very comfortable. Next, I have the e.l.f. lipstick, and this one is in Blush and Brown. So this one is a really pretty nude. It is very rosy, but it's very brown at the same time. I put it on my lips before I swatched it for you guys. Okay, so here it is swatched. It has a slight cream formula, but it's not super shiny. Again, it's like one of those like really nice nude colors if you have the same type of complexion as me, and it's very comfortable on the lips. It feels more velvety, I would say, but again, very pretty. Next, I have another Maybelline lipstick. This one is in the shade Nude Nuance. Again, is a very rosy sort of color, but it does have that touch of brown in it. All of these are looking very similar. As you can see, there's a certain type of lipstick I like, but this one does definitely have a lot more pink and purple in it. So this one's another matte. This one definitely pulls more pink on me, and it is full coverage. Again, it's that comfortable sort of feel to it. We have another Colourpop. This one is in the shade Brick. It's almost reddish, and it has like some brown to it without being too red or too brown. Oh my, you can see it there swatched on my hand. Definitely pulls a lot more red, but it still has a little bit of a like pinkish undertone to it. It's a super pretty color, and it's definitely more of a cream finish, and it's very comfortable on the lips as well. And then last but not least, I have this Covergirl lipstick. This one is in the shade Creme, and this one's really pretty. I got this one from Clarice for Christmas. This is a lipstick that I wouldn't pick up myself. So the color looks right up my alley, like this nice mauve sort of color, but this one has actual glitter in it, which makes it very different. It makes it something I wouldn't get for myself, but I really like it. So as you can see it right there, it looks super shiny and dimensional. It doesn't actually look like it's jam-packed with glitters, but it has like little like gold glitters throughout it. It looks super shiny. It almost looks like a lip gloss. The only complaints I have is, again, it has a little bit of that factory scent that some drugstore lipsticks can have, and that you can feel the glitters only if you're pressing your lips together. Otherwise you can't feel them at all. It's just this very pretty like mauve purplish color, and I really like how it looks. So we have swatched all of the lipsticks. Now I'm going to rank them for you from my favorite to my least favorite. Well, I'm now going to rank them. So now that we have swatched all the lipsticks, I'm going to rank them from you from 1 to 10. No, 1 to 8. From 1 to 8. So that's my top 8 lipsticks. I didn't rank them because honestly, I like them all. And I like them for different reasons. Like, this one's super shiny. My Revlon one was sheer, but it like added color. Some I like because they're matte, and I just want matte with certain looks. Some were the perfect nude, some were the perfect pops. I just like them all for such different reasons that I tried to rank them and I just couldn't. My top favorite would definitely have to be the Revlon one, but this one is definitely like really high up as well. I just can't rank them. I'm sorry guys. Those are my top 8 favorite lipsticks. I hope you guys liked this video. And if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and comment below for what you guys want to see next. And until next time guys,